5-pin bowling. A fun twist on a classic game. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a unique and exciting version of bowling called 5-pin bowling. Whether you're new to bowling or a seasoned player, this variation offers a fresh and enjoyable experience. Let's dive in and learn all about it. 5-pin bowling is a variation of the traditional bowling game. Originating in Canada, it's played on a standard bowling alley. The key difference? It uses only 5 pins and a smaller bowling ball. This makes the game faster-paced and arguably more challenging than the classic 10-pin bowling. Each pin has a different point value, with the center pin being the most valuable. Scoring in 5-pin bowling can seem complex at first, but it's quite straightforward once you get the hang of it. Each pin has a point value. The center pin is worth 5 points, the two directly beside it are worth 3 points each, and the outermost pins are worth 2 points each. Knocking down all 5 pins in one shot, known as a strike, earns you 15 points plus the points of the next 2 balls thrown. A spare, knocking all pins down in 2 shots, gives you 15 points plus the points from the next ball. To play 5-pin bowling, you'll need to master a smaller ball, which doesn't have finger holes. This requires a different throwing technique. Players get 3 attempts per frame to knock down the pins, unlike 2 attempts in 10-pin bowling. This adds an extra layer of strategy and excitement to the game. Strategic play in 5-pin bowling is crucial. Aiming for the middle pin is often a good strategy, but sometimes targeting the sides for a spare can be more beneficial. Developing your own strategy and adapting it based on the situation is part of the fun and challenge of the game. I hope you've enjoyed learning about 5-pin bowling. It's a fantastic way to challenge yourself and have fun, whether you're bowling alone or with friends. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, why not give it a try? Happy bowling, and see you in the next video.